Hey friends, who's hungry? Homemade Chex Mix is a Christmas tradition in our house. Today, I'm pointing the camera at my husband as he shows you how to make his grandmother's recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 2 sticks of unsalted butter and 7 tablespoons of bacon grease. Doesn't everyone keep a jar of bacon grease in their fridge? You're also going to need 5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 3 tablespoons of garlic salt. Melt the butter and seasonings in the microwave for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, combine 5 cups of Cheerios, 5 cups of corn Chex, 2 cups of wheat Chex, and 2 cups of pretzel sticks. You could also add 2 cups of Spanish nuts or peanuts, but my boys don't like them, so we usually leave them out. You're also going to need to add 4 cups of rice Chex, but I forgot to take a video of that. Combine the cereal and the pretzels together. You could use a spoon, but we like to use our hands. Just make sure they're clean. Pour the melted butter over the top. Then stir the Chex Mix until everything is coated with the butter. Roast the Chex Mix in a 250-degree oven for 2 hours, stirring every 15 minutes. Don't mind us. We're just doing a little quality control. Follow me for more recipes.